Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konemi. If you have been tagged, then this is your free tarot reading video post. However, the messages from this reading may also resonate to Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, especially if you're in a situation where you have to share your blessings, or maybe you have to provide for a group of people or a person, or maybe you have to share property or a household with a specific person or a group of people. King of Pentacles in reverse is at the bottom of the deck. Make sure you're not being abused, especially financially, especially if this is someone who's actually able to provide for themselves, but since it's easier to rely on you, sa'yo na lang siya hihingi. Now, what do you need to focus on regarding this matter? Aside from avoiding abuse, Three of Swords in reversed. So maybe this person, or maybe it's more like you've disappointed this person in the past, and maybe you're making up for whatever it is that you've done in the past. Pero if namimihasa na, like parang sumusobra na yung bawi na hinihingi niya, like tuwing meron siyang hihingin, meron siyang kailangan, or meron siyang gustong makuha, gustong masunod, always niyang binibring up yung kasalanan mo before, when in fact ilang beses ka nang parang hanggang kailan mo ba pagbabayaran yung ginawa mo. And for some reason, I'm sensing hindi naman ganun yun kabigat. For some of you, I'm sensing it has got something to do with your parents. Maybe anak ka ng kabit. Maybe nakilala ka lang nung first na family. Malaki ka na, wala ka namang kinalaman doon sa pagkakamali ng magulang mo. Pero ikaw yung sinisingil. Like, ang napipicture out ko is, siguro nung bata ka pa, wala kang mapuntahang ibang pamilya, ibang bahay. Tapos inadapt ka pero inalila ka, parang ganon. This won't resonate to everyone, pero parang may mangilan-ilan sa inyo na parang giniguilt trip lagi. Na parang pasalamat ka, tinanggap ka namin, pero to the point na halos wala nang natira sa'yo. Parang, ano yun? Diyos nga nagpapatawad, tas kayo hindi. Di ba? So, parang allow yourself to be free from this kind of situation, especially if, yun nga, wala ka namang kinalaman dun sa pagkakamali ng iba. Parang ikaw lang yung naging bunga or nadamay ka lang. So, pero if that's not the case, there's a grasshopper in my bed. So, grasshoppers are abundance and money. So, maybe pwedeng by the time na you cut off your connection to these abusive people, baka tsaka kauulanin ng abundance, tsaka kauulanin ng grasya, kasi wala nang lumayo ka na dun sa manghuhut-hut sa'yo, sa sa tawag nito, mga abuso sa kakahingi sa'yo. So if you're gipit, especially financially, lumayo ka sa mga parang ine-enable mong maging abuser mo, para tsaka kaulanin ng grasya, tsaka kaulanin ng blessings. Okay, wag mag-guilty, especially if nakabawi ka na rin naman sa lahat ng ginawa mo for them at sa lahat ng mga binigay mo for them. Okay, hindi dapat habang buhay pinagbabayaran ng kasalanan. Okay, kahit nga kung sino pang may mabigat na nagawa, 'di ba? Kaya namang patawarin ng Diyos. So bakit ikaw tao hindi pwede, 'di ba? So have mercy on yourself. Don't feel guilty pampering yourself or prioritizing yourself and your own needs, especially if hindi naman mga inutil itong mga to. Kaya naman nilang magkapera or humanap or maghanap buhay ng sarili nila. Okay? So there. That's for you. And if you would like to have a personal reading with me, just send me a private message. Okay?